Okay, budgeting. What do you do if you've never budgeted before? Let's talk about that. All right, Mike. We have questions all the time from people when we talk about budgeting, and somebody's like, I've never budgeted before. I have no idea where to start. I don't know what to do. What would you tell them if they said, I've never done anything? I have no clue. Would you say?
Well, first, we want you just to click below and sign up for the Ideal Life and Money Academy budgeting course. We'll walk you step by step how to do all of that. But for today, the very first thing that I want you to do is know your income. How much money do you make? How much does your house bring home in money across all jobs in 1 month? What is your income? Then, right after that, what are your expenses? This one's going to take you a little bit longer, but what did you spend? And I mean everything, right? Jason and I talk about stuff, S.T.U.F. That's your basics, your shelter, your transportation, utilities, and food. We all are going to spend some amount of money on that. But what about that 79 cents pack of gum that you picked up on the way out the grocery store? Right? That may be included in your food bill. That's okay. But we want you to record all of it and just try it out for 30 days.
We'll get back to the episode in just a second, but we wanted to give you a gift just for being here today. Thank you so much. We've got a 3-part video workshop absolutely free for you. This workshop is designed to help you get organized with your money so that you can give yourself a 10% raise. When you give yourself a 10% raise, you are going to have more money. And when you have more money, we will show you exactly what to do with that money so that you can get on the path to financial freedom and start living your life, your ideal life today. You're going to learn how to get out of debt. You're going to learn how to save money. You're going to learn how to free up money so that you can invest for your future. If you're unfulfilled with life, whether it be at work, in your personal life, or with your money, then this is the workshop for you. Visit sentinelcoaching.com/raise. That's sentinelcoaching.com/raise, or click the link in the description. Now, back to the episode.
Because why 30 days, Jason? Why do we want someone to track their expenses for 30 days?
Yeah, the month budget is pretty easy to create. So in 30 days, you should know roughly what you're spending. What are your habits? And then you figure out, can I afford to live the life that I'm living? Or the realization of, oh no, I'm spending way more than I'm bringing in. If you're spending more than you're bringing in, that means you are going into debt. And that's going to create this cycle that you'll never get out of if you're not intentional. So for 30 days, if you track all of your expenses, you know what you're spending money on, you can have that aha moment of, oh no, I'm actually spending more than I'm bringing in. That's a problem. Or it would actually reassure you like, wait, I'm actually doing okay. I just need to get more organized and I'm not spending more than I'm bringing in. So that's why the 30 days is really important. Now, every month is going to be a little bit different, right? We spend more during the holidays, we spend less in the summer. So like, there's all these different things that happen. But in a 30-day period, you should be able to figure out what your normal pattern is so that you can create that first budget. You can't just create a budget and expect it's going to work. You need to know what those numbers are. That's why we do the 30-day challenge.
Correct. And when I first did this, it was really eye-opening because I just couldn't imagine how much food cost or that I was spending as a single person in my early 20s. I thought it was going to be way less than it was. And that for me included going out. So that was entertainment. I was drinking at that point in my life and had friends at bars and stuff like that. That money added up very quickly. And I just didn't see it until I physically wrote it down. And that's why this exercise is so important. If you do nothing else, just track your income and track your expenses.